So let's say a equal to 10. This will store the data 10 in a. B equal to 20.5. C equal to string, or let's say hello world. Next we have D equal to, this is integer float boolean value, right? So we can just write true here. Okay, we can print a, or we can just type will just give me the value what type it is. It is of integer type. Okay, next I'll try to check the print type of B, type of C, print type of D. You can see we got a float string. String is named as str and bool type. Okay, next this is the data types we got. uh, Now we'll see. Now this is called as comments. So for example, you want to pass any comment. So this I was teaching you what thing, data types. So I just want to write, this is my data types, which is not a part of code. Okay, but then it is to understand what the code is about. So this code was all about data types, so I can just comment here data types. Similarly, this is called comments. Okay, this is write it here about this. Okay, so next, similarly, now we will understand what is conditional statements. Conditional statements. Okay, so conditional statements are like decisions. For example, based on the input, you take certain decisions. Let's say you got up at, your class is at 9 o'clock. You got up at 8:30. The first decision you would make is to maybe probably skip the bath, right? So some decisions you are taking based on the input. So I'll take just simple example what I have shown. I'll try to code that. So let's say I got up at 8 o'clock and I have to take a decision. Okay. So if time is uh, greater than 8:30 or 8 o'clock, okay, then probably I'll just print skip path. Okay. Why so? Like you can see here, time greater than 800. Okay, that means it can print skip path, else print take path. Okay, so now if I run this, okay, so it is less than 8 o'clock, which is something with 800, so it is taking bath. If I give here something like 8, yeah, it is showing save bath. Now let us understand the syntax. So first thing we write here is if, okay, then we check the condition. To checking the condition, we use something called this as operators. Okay, this is greater than operator, which is checking. This is simple maths you might have learned. Yes, we have different operators. One is greater than, equal to, less than equal to, equal to equal to. If we check, let's say time is equal to 8 o'clock, I want to check, I just use double time equal to. Okay, not equal to. Now these are the few logical operators, or sorry, relational operators we have in Python. Okay, so here I want to check greater than, so I'll just write here greater than 800 and it will skip path. And the syntax here is indentation. Always whatever the code I want to keep, let's say I want to keep one more line of code, I'll just print I am late. I just write after some space. Here I have to leave some space. So this is called as indentation. Whatever the code I want to keep inside the if statement, I'll keep it after some space in an order. Okay. Similarly here also I'll just keep some space, print taken bath. Okay. And I've done this. You can see this the code. Now this 8, 8:30 is greater than 8 o'clock. So this statements under the if should run. What are the statements? Skip bath, I am late, which is kept after some space, that will run. Okay. Now I hope